brave together. Let's be one step. It looks fun. Hi, teacher. Hello.
Hello, children.
Hi, friend. Hey there.
Hi, come play.
Such a fun classroom. Yeah, let's put our bags over there. Okay.
Play, play every day. Laugh with friends, hooray, hooray. Blocks and toys, so much fun. School is happy for everyone.
I like school. Hi, Mom. I'm brave.
See, you did it.